Dear students, today we are dealing with the topic staffing, meaning, definition and features. Management functions, as pointed out earlier, are classified as planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. All these functions are required to achieve the objective of an organization. Every organization, large or small, uses a variety of capital, includes cash, valuables or goods used to generate income for a business. No matter the type of industry, all companies have one thing in common. That is, they all must have people to make their resources productive. This is the focus of our lecture, that is human resource. Human resource of an organization are considered as the most vital assets because it is the people who make other resources moving. Human resource management is a process of employing people, training them, compensating them, developing policies relating to them, and developing strategies to retain them. Today, we are going to discuss about one of the important tasks of human resource management, that is staffing. Once the organizational goals are set, plans are prepared, and organization is designed the path to achieve the goals, what is the next step? The next step is to provide appropriate personnel to fill in the various positions. The process of putting people to job is staffing. So, staffing is concerned with the process of finding the right employee with appropriate qualifications or experience and recruiting them to fill a position or job. It involves the determination of manpower requirements of the enterprise and providing it with adequate, competent people at all levels. Now, definition of staffing. According to Coons and O'Donnell, the managerial function of staffing involves managing the organization structure through proper and effective selection, appraisal and development of personnel to fill the roles designed into the structure. S. Benjamin has defined staffing as the process involved in identifying, assessing, placing, evaluating and directing individuals at work. So, staffing function pertains to recruitment, selection, training, development, appraisal, remuneration of personnel, etc. The basic concern of staffing is management of manpower or management of human resources. It aims at getting right type of persons on right jobs. Now let us discuss about what are the features of staffing. First one, people oriented. Staffing deals with human resources of an organization. Unlike planning an organization, it is not mere paperwork but involves recruitment, selection, training, promotion, etc. All these are connected with human beings. So we can say that staffing is people oriented. Next, development oriented. The efficiency and effectiveness of an organization depends directly on capability of its personnel and how effectively they are utilized for achieving organizational objectives. Capability of a person depends on his ability to work and the training he received. Staffing provides opportunities to employees for their advancement through training, job education, etc. So staffing is development oriented. Pervasive function. Pervasive means universal or omnipresent. Staffing is required in every organization at all levels of organization for all type of employees. Staffing is continuous function. New jobs may be created and some of the existing employees may leave the organization. Staffing is related with identifying workforce requirements, recruiting, selecting, placing, promoting, appraising, compensating, training, and so on. Thus, it is a continuous function. Human objectives. Staffing develops potentialities of employees so that maximum satisfaction can be derived out of their work. Individuals as well as group oriented. Staffing is concerned with employees both as individuals and as group in attaining organizational goals. Staffing should focus on creating cordial environment in the enterprise where each employee contributes his best for the achievement of organizational goals. Therefore, staffing integrates or coordinates individual and group goals in such a way that employees feel a sense of involvement towards organization. So, staffing is individual as well as a group oriented concept. Next, effect of internal and external environment. Staffing is affected by some internal factors like support from top management, image of an organization, technology used, future growth, plan, etc. And other external factors are labor laws, competition, trade union, social attitude towards the work, etc. So staffing is affected by both internal and external environmental factors. Related to social responsibility. Social responsibility has become an increasing social responsibility has become increasingly important to companies in recent years. HR department play a critical role in ensuring that the company adopts corporate social responsibility programs. Furthermore, HR can arrange various CSR plans and monitor its adoption proactively. Human resource managers are well positioned to play an instrumental role in helping their organization to achieve its goal of becoming a socially and environmentally responsible firm. So, staffing is closely related to social responsibility. This we can conclude today's session by saying that a business cannot be isolated from its workforce because workforce of the business is the life force of the business. Thus, staffing is one of the critical managerial function as all other managerial functions depend on workforce which is organized by staffing function. Thank you.